What is up, my family? Welcome back to Jared Tries Trading, episode 44. It's 2 p.m., 1:51 p.m., hour after the close. Just got done running errands. Happy Friday. I hope you guys kept it green. You guys heard it. Pop the brewski on air because I'm ready to get into the weekend and come back next week to kill it. You know what I mean? But as you can see, came back in a major way. Obviously, it's a red week. That's fine, but we're about to celebrate the win today. 100%. 191. I was looking to hit my target. But I held this trade for 2.5 hours. I gave it that room that in our walkaway analysis, gave it extra room. And I was damn happy with this trade. You know what I mean? Very close to the daily goal, 3.7% return. 3 trades today, only closed one of them. Just a real locked in day. Not only that, you guys saw it, SPY just drifted up all day. So that's what I'm talking about. That's what I like. So let's check out the market real quick. 4 green days in a row. We broke through the SMA 50. It was getting a little iffy there on the M5. I wasn't sure we going to get rejected. I mean, on Monday we could still get rejected. So I'm not going crazy with the longs. But, gap down this morning and we just drifted higher the whole time. Is this trend strong? Not in the early parts of the day, it was kind of choppy, but in here, there was definitely some trend in there. And then at the end of the day, definitely some trend. And then we kind of chopped it up at the end of the day with these mixed candles. So overall, I'm cool with it. If the market keeps putting up days like this, I'll be a happy man. Like I said, only took 3 trades. It only takes 1 or 2 to get to the daily goal if they're good setups. And if the market, works with us instead of being such an ass. But this was my only pretty much, open and close trade for the day. Love the daily on this. It already broke out above this horizontal resistance right here. Bam. Broke up above the SMA, broke up above this downward sloping trend line. You go to the weekly. Let's actually do the daily, but zoom out. And then let's see what happens if we connect this line. I think it's the downtrend line 200. Broke through the 200 downtrend line. Everything leads to this stock being strong. And it was strong. Pull up the 1 OSI. Zoom in a bit. Take these SMAs out the way. Try to 1 OSI over 0 all morning. Peaked below. And stayed above for, the whole middle portion of the day. And I had already taken my move, guys. And today I tried really hard not to do options. Like I said in my walkaway analysis, if I do shares only, it's like 70% easier, man. Just as far as being confident in holding through the noise. So let's actually look at it from here, because I added quite a bit. Added after this green candle, a lot of strength. Added I think like 25 shares. Added in this pullback. I feel like we were consolidating. This was just noise, no reason to get worried. Then bam, this was confirmation for me. Another little consolidation here. I was looking for the next leg up. Added again to full size. And then at this candle here, I wanted to take my profit, man. I was like up $100. But I said, give it another hour. And bam, right here at the top, The stochastic was going bearish, or it was crossing down. I was using the HA candles on this one. I gotta remember to use these. This made it really easy to hold. You know what I mean? I got in at 11, and these are HA candles. So right here in this strength, held through this whole pullback, and then bam, started popping off. And up in this region, I wanted to take profits this whole time, but nope, I added, and I was waiting until there was no longer flat bottom HA candles, and I got out right here at 135 as soon as this turned to a doji. Yeah, I could have held, but I had a plan and I stuck with it, and I was happy with my profits, man. This was, let's see, 100 shares. I like these. I like going shares, man, if I could afford it. But this daily, let's go ahead and do the setup real quick. Above all SMA breakout. Definitely. Idea worked. Full will. Yeah, I gotta fix that one. And I'll go ahead and leave those blank. So that's pretty much my one trade for the day, guys. I love it. One trade to rule them all. And let's get into the swings that I have. I got into, see, the dailies were looking good to me today on my scanners, and I felt confident in these. Now this one went against me pretty quickly, but look at this. It's just above all SMAs, breakout above this downward sloping trend line. And then, this downward sloping trend line as well. A little bit of continuation today. It did get, it did pull back and it lost some strength in the middle of the day, but look at this, right? I didn't even see this until I got back home, but bam, there was strength somewhere. There was some buyers in there somewhere, you know what I mean? So I just sat through it. I also had shares of it, and I'll just swing it, you know what I mean? Let's see. So that was above all SMA downward slope break. And we'll see. So it came back to me because I was red all throughout here, but now I'm up a little bit, just a few bucks. But we'll see if we could get some continuation, and if not, if we have to consolidate, or maybe even if we test this level over here, I'm just gonna hold it. You know what I mean? I still have buying power left, so cool with that one. And then GLNG. This one's funny, man. I was eyeing this one. I really like the daily on it, and I was waiting for an entry, and then once I saw Harry get in, I was like, damn, I was right. I had this one. I was stocking this one. Excuse me. Above all SMAs, break of this sloping trend line. I love the daily. Super confident in this one, pending the market. You know what I mean? Have shares of this one as well, so not really worried about it. I got in, at 228, so a little bit, I missed a lot of the move because I was pretty happy with my one trade on APLS, but and I was running out of buying power. But this one's a $20 stock. I love the daily on it, and I got in right here, and it's just been consolidating to close out the day. So we'll see what we could get on Monday. Obviously anything could happen, but the good thing is that these aren't options, and if it happens to go against me a little bit, it's not going to get ate up and be worth nothing, so happy with swinging those two. And overall, this is the kind of day that we want, man. Not over trading. Sat there, was patient, used the HA candles. So many good things happened today, including the market just being nice, man. Just being nice. So we'll see. We're right at that daily, that SMA level. We still have this other SMA, the SMA 200 right above at 445. Oh no, 446. So we got about $1.50 before we start hitting that. We'll see how we react in this range, and then we'll play it by ear. And what I told myself this morning was like, stop overcomplicating it. If you see a green day building on the D1, look for your longs. You know, don't think about, oh, it might turn into like a doji later on. Just play what you see. Play what you see, man. And if you have to hop out, hop out. And that's kind of what I did today. And I just want to celebrate this win. You know what I mean? This week has been fucking rough. And, you know, I was listening to some shit on YouTube, and for some reason, as humans, we celebrate, you know, the good things that happen, the wins, for like a few minutes. But when we lose, something bad happens, we sit in that for like weeks, you know, or days. You know, why is it that, you know, we almost celebrate the losses more than we, you know, celebrate the wins? So I definitely want to just pop a brew, and just digest this week, you know what I mean? But this is a good way to bounce back. I'm happy about it. I hope you guys kept it green too. So I'm going to go ahead and hop out of here. I'll see you guys on Monday for another video. Y'all enjoy your weekend, you know, with your families and everything, because time is not promised for us, you know what I mean? So see you guys later.